it's only those documents that are part of the acts or the records of an official institution or a public body. The interpretation has said you are responding to what is said in this submission. Most of it, I respond to what it says in this submission. I was going to say, even in this submission, it's when he makes a communication, that communication is also said to come. So what shall I do? Your recollection, did she have a petition in this court earlier on? Yes. And it was against the respondent in this matter. Against the respondent,
Aida.
Yes. And I want to believe that you knew that bribing voters from the time you became an agent was an offense. Okay. So are you saying it was not necessary? Is she the daughter of the chairman of the NRM, Mr. Kalangwa? That you ever went to consult from Mr. Kalangwa, the NRM chairperson, whether there was any official program to distribute food in Pulida. Did I get it right? That's what you indicate. Yes, you distribute food relief in KAYUNGA. In your petition, you indicate that you ever went to consult Mr. Kalangwa whether there was any official distribution of food relief in KAYUNGA. So many miles. Actually, you cannot estimate that because you've never been to Kambatan. Okay, you as a campaigning agent of candidate Bilundu, where were you supposed to canvass votes for her from? Which areas were you covering? In which areas were you supposed to canvass for votes for candidate Bilundu?
District here.
It was the whole district.
Yes.
Madam Nabadda, you either know your campus and it is, you don't know. Yes, my lord, and that's what my lord expected to honest to state from her mouth, that she doesn't know.
Parish is my lord, parish is
Your friend. You liked him so much and he became your friend.
Yes.
Is he a voter?
Mulonzi.
Yes.
Where?
Kambatani.
Kambatani is a village. Is it a polling station?
Polling station.
What are your polling stations are?
Yes. At what polling station is he a voter?
Polling station here in Kambatani, Valley of Rose.
Sekakasa.
I'm not sure about
Nga ndaba exercise egenda maaso neziruka ku poliisi n'endoopa bw'osaafu nayo obuyambi n'enkomawo.
Okay.
Yes.
So you left Kambatani at 5 p.m. and you went away.
N'enkomawo.
And then you came back.
Yes.
That's what one is going to believe.
Yes.
Now you come back to do what?
Okwongera okwetegereza abaaliwo kuba amagezi ge nafuna ku muntu omu gwe neebuza nga ddayo weetegereze exercise olabe egenda etya mu maaso.
So what were you verifying?
Bani abali mu exercise eyo.
And I want to put to you that you actually, the person doesn't want to tell you. If at all you were at Kambatani, you could not have been two places at the same time.
My right. Nnyonnyodde went. Naliwo okuva ssaawa 10:00 paka saa 11:00 ngende nnonye obuyambi bwe saabufuna ne neebuzaako ne nkomawo emabega okwetegereza baani abagaba ebintu ebyo.
Bawumba ensonga kooti zegenda okutunulira nga tuwoza omusango guno mu lufuutifuuti kitwa scheduling ne kiggwa. Ne tutandika okuwulira obujulizi nga tutandise n'obujulizi bw'oyo awaaba. Tugezeeko ddala tukakase oba ensonga ezaleese mu kooti zirimu essimba oba temulimu ssimba. Kooti etuwadde obudde obumala ne tusobola okumubuuza bye tulowooza nti bye byetaagisa. Era mubaddemu mu kooti mu budde obujulizi nga bubadde butambula. Tulowooza nti nno obujulizi bwe bujweteke bujwetesi era tulowooza nti enkomerero ya byonna kooti ejja bugoba. In the morning, and we started with the scheduling of this matter. We completed the scheduling, and then we started on the cross-examination, basically of the petitioner. Court has given us adequate time to put across our questions to the witness. I believe we've been following up. Our contestation from the beginning is that actually her evidence is fabricated. She has no genuine case before court, and I believe you've seen some of the lies being exposed during her cross-examination, and we believe that at the end of the day, court will be able to agree with us and reject our evidence and the petition. To a number of documents which Madam Nabadda wanted to rely on. In our view, she was trying to hide behind certain people and smuggle certain documents on court record, which were allegedly being authored through certain public offices. It was intriguing that actually none of those offices was able to come up with any affidavit or any verification that they had written those letters. So we had to raise an objection that she was not a competent witness to bring those documents before court. And the court agreed with us that the best she could do about those documents was for her to identify them. But none of the authors of those documents, none of the addressees had put in any affidavit. None of them had been on record bringing any evidence that actually had any connection with that document. And the court agreed with us that she had no nexus between those documents and her petition, or the persons to whom they were addressed, or those who authored them. Court agreed with us and rejected those documents as exhibits.
Basobola okujingirya ebisango nnindiridde obujulizi obulaga bwe nagulirira abalonzi sibulabye olwekyo kansuubire nti ne kooti ejja kusala mazima.
So petition tuwuddemu nnyo emyaka kalanga.
Yateekamu sente ono omuwala Nabadda ekirayiro kye kibadde mu kooti nti ye agent wa Obusinge birungi. Obusinge birungi nesimbawo naye ye muwala wa Kalanga yatwala mu kooti. Kati ono alayira nti agent w'oli akolera oli kitegeeza nkyawoza n'omuntu omu mu kooti emisango agiteekayo nalonda bulunzi feesi z'abantu bateekayo naye ng'amazima gali nti yakyalwana. Actually sponsors all these petitions against me. Nabbada Ritah in one of her affidavits really alludes to the fact that she's an agent of Birungi Obusinge Birungi Kobusinge is Karangwa's daughter. The two of us were candidates in the last elections. I beat her, but out of that dissatisfaction, she went to court and she petitioned. I won that petition, but she still, through her father, sponsored another petition.
Ebyo byonna bye bagamba nti waliwo sponsoring emabega bya bulimba kubanga nange ndiko signed citizen teri yayiza kumbeera mabega. Nze Nabbada Ritah ezemu kenyini nze nyimiridde mu musango guno sirinaayo muntu mabega.
Ng'olaba omusango ogutwala wa gye gudda?
Omusango gye gutwala leero mu kooti ku saidi yaffe kinyali gambye bigenze bulungi. Amateeka teganzikiriza nnyo kwogera ku bibaddemu mu kooti kubanga etteeka ligamba nti matawo yenna yonna bw'ebeera mu kooti tokkirizibwa ate kugenda wala wonna bwonna tannagyogerako. Maybe kyesobola okwogerako kiri nti force bigenze bulungi leero kooti at least etuwadde obudde newuliriza client waffe era tugenda kuddamu naye ku Mande tulabe ekiddako nga bwe tuyita abajulizi abalala.